Hey everybody, it's Panaman09, and I'm gonna be shooting this thing off. Safety's on right now, so that's target right there. If you can see it. Okay. Okay, I got it. Let me see let's see where I hit it. Oh. Sorry, I got it. Maybe. Oh wait, I didn't get it. I think. Darn it. Back up. Okay. Oh, missed.
Now he
Oh, God,
only has 12 bullets.
Okay, so I hit it right there. See where I made a little dent right there. Okay. Oh,
Missed.
third.
Ooh, I saw the plate move.
I hit it. You see the dent right there. Sorry if you guys can't see that. It's like right there.
Oh, I see it. It's very small, guys.
I back up.
Oh, I saw the bullet bounce off.
I back away. But, I ran out of bullets.
Told you to bring more bullets out.
Well, that was kind of fun though. So many dents in this. See like a dent there, there, and there, and there. Kind of a bad shot.
Kind of a bad target.
Shut up. I was the one who made it. Yeah, if I'm lucky, I'll have a bullet probably down here. Or I can just go and reload. Want me to go do that?
Sure, is there a way I can pause the camera?
Nope.
Okay, well we are... Huh?
Entertain them. I'm gone.
Okay, well, Reese is gone. I'm going to kind of introduce myself. My name is Skylar. I'm his older sister. And yes, and there is our pool that we are in the process of blowing up. So, yeah. There is the target. I can only see like 3 dents. So, yeah. Hopefully he brings like the whole container of bullets up here. But yeah. By the way, I'm not going to show myself because I look terrible right now. Also, I'm really bad at like freehand vlogging, so yes. He'll be back in a minute. Oh. Wait. Maybe he'll be back in a minute. Oh, wait. And he's back. Did you bring out the thing of bullets?
No, but I did reload.
Okay.
Our last shots.
How many did you put in there?
I don't know. A few?
Huh?
Put like a few in there?
A few? That's not really an answer, but okay.
Okay. Safety off. See that one. See that one. Not that one. Oh.
Missed.
Oh.
That went by fast.
I have a jam. I had a jam. Oh, I did good.
Now let's look at the target results.
See a couple more dents in there. I think the plate might be a bit too hard.
Probably.
Well, still, it's kind of fun to shoot. If I find my shotgun, that's gonna be awesome. Well, everybody, thank you for watching. And, signing out.
Peace.
Peace. Thanks for being my camera girl, Skylar.
You're welcome.